Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. It is the very early morning of July 23rd, 2025, and in just a few hours, it is anticipated that Judge Stephen J. Hippler will be calling to order the sentencing proceeding in the matter styled as Idaho versus Kohberger. This day, in this case, promises to be lengthy. The court has already indicated that it is anticipated it would go the length of the full day. Judge Hippler has also indicated that the 24th of July was available on his calendar if it was necessary for the proceeding to carry over to a second day. One issue that remains outstanding, independent of the sentencing proceeding, is the state of Idaho's July 17th, 2025 motion to extend no contact orders by Mr. Kohberger with certain parties for another 99 years beyond their current expiration dates of approximately January 2027. Now, a look at the docket and the case summary page this morning does not reveal any further notations on the case summary page of a response and nothing on the public docket of a response by Mr. Kohberger, as he is entitled to be heard pursuant to the 14th Amendment Due Process Clause, requiring notice and opportunity to be heard, and also impartiality when the state government is seeking to take away someone's life, liberty, or property. There are some consequences that can be quite severe, including criminal consequences in the event of a violation of a no-contact order. So it is anticipated that the defense may file and may have already filed a response to this motion for an extension of 99 years to the no-contact orders. If the court decides to entertain this motion at the settlement conference, please look to the following sequence of events. Whenever there is a motion filed, it is an application for a court order. No party is authorized to go to a judge ex parte, that means outside of the presence of the other, and ask for some relief. It must be done in a certain way, i.e. through the filing of a motion. Because this is the state's motion, if the court entertains oral argument on that motion at sentencing, expect the court to raise the issue of this motion, to then turn to the prosecution because it's their motion. They will speak first and try to persuade the court why it's proper to extend the no-contact orders an additional 99 years, binding Mr. Kohberger for that additional time period from no contact with the recipients of the prior no-contact orders. Then expect that the court will turn to the defense and ask the defense if they have any response in opposition, or if they would like to be heard regarding a written response in opposition that may have been filed that has not yet hit the case summary page or the docket. Then the court may return one more time to ask the state, as the proponent of the motion, if they would like to reply to the response. Recall, ordinarily the sequence of filings, i.e. the briefings, are motion, response, reply. And then Judge Stephen J. Hippler may make a ruling on the record or may reserve a ruling and then enter a written order after the hearing. This is all, of course, based on speculation upon this filing, which occurred less than a week before sentencing. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. My name's Kathy. Thank you for joining us today.